Good afternoon, Maguire's family. My name is Mason Stamen, and today I'm going to be presenting you this Lincoln 2018 MKC in the reserve package with only 24,000 miles. Starting off on the interior, you can see the dual gauges with the infotainment screen in the middle. You have your paddle shifters on the steering wheel, automatic headlights, there is the trunk release, power windows, power folding mirrors, memory seats with 3 positions, demonstrate the backup camera, audio, climate, phone, nav, and apps, heated seats and cooled seats, dual zone climate control, 2 USB ports, 12 volt, power locks on the passenger side as well. Moving on to the back seats, black leather as well, and you do have heated seats in the back. Here you can see the outside of the car. Yet again, this is a Lincoln MKC in the reserve package, sitting at 24,000 miles. If anybody is interested, please stop down today at Maguire's Ford and Lincoln in Palmyra, Pennsylvania, and ask for Mason Stamen. Thank you so much.